Welcome guys to this video. I will show with you how to withdraw USDT from Weex wallet. So friends, if you want to withdraw your USDT, follow me in this guide video and let's get started without wasting any time. First open your Weex app and then choose your asset. When you choose the asset guys, click this withdraw option. When you click on withdraw, choose your deposit network, TRC for example this one, and then choose the network if you want to choose TRC20. And then guys, all you have to do, write your address. For example, you want to withdraw to Binance, just click your Binance address. For example, deposit crypto, choose your Binance address, your USDT, for example choose your USDT from here, and then copy this address. Before that, choose your amount you want to withdraw guys, for example 200 USDT or 100 USDT, and then complete the steps. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share.